believe it or not, based on this right here, your fixed expenses, this is what's going to tell you how much money you can actually make with your business. Based on your fixed expenses, I'll be able to tell you how much gross sales you could and should be doing, what your parts cost should be, what your technician cost should be, what you should be paying your service advisor, and I'll be able to tell you exactly how much money you will be taking home from the business simply by looking at these fixed expenses. So all I really need to know is, what are your fixed expenses? How far can your business go on the expenses that you have to incur? I look at these expenses as the gas tank in your business. Here is your magic formula. Okay, you got monthly sales, that's 100%. I didn't write the 100% in there. Your parts cost should be 25%. Your technician, your loaded technician costs 20%. Service advisor 10%. Fixed expenses 25%. And out of that, this is 80%. What's left over should be 20% in your profit. So this is what's real cool about this calculator. If I just type in one number here, okay, let's say your fixed expenses, after you've normalized it, tossed all your personal stuff back in there, let's say you're spending $14,500 per month, okay? Now this is your fixed expense, on average what it's going to cost you every single month to keep your doors open, all right? Click of a button, boom. Here it tells me everything I need to know about your business, and it gives you the goals to shoot for in your business, because this is what it's capable of doing. If your fixed expenses are $14,500, you need $58,000 worth of sales, okay? Because 25% of $58,000 is $14,500. So this is now your goal. If your expenses are $14,500 after it was normalized, I'll stop saying that, but you understand, throw your personal expenses back into that thing. If your expenses are $14,500, you have to have $58,000 in sales. Out of that, you should be spending no more than $14,500 in parts, because that's 25% of this number. Of that, you should not be spending more than $11,600 on your technicians, including all their payroll taxes and the vacations and salaries and bonuses and things like that. You should not be spending more than $11,600 per month. Service advisor should be paid $5,800. Out of that, so if you have $14,500 in fixed expenses, and if these numbers fall in line, again, these are now your goals that you need to be shooting for, your net profit on a monthly basis is $11,600. So I took the liberty of multiplying that by 12. So if you're hitting your numbers and your fixed expenses are $14,500, that means your projected yearly net profit is $139,200. That's profit. That's in addition to what you pay yourself for whatever it is you do in the business.
Hey, Ron Ipak here. Sorry for jumping in the middle of this video, but if you're interested in that spreadsheet that I'm using in this video, I want to get the copy to you. So go down below this video and the contact information will be there where you can request a copy of this spreadsheet so you can run your own numbers in your business to find out how your business is doing based on those fixed expenses. This training is actually a portion of a weekly training that we give to our members every single week, but I thought it was really important that everybody has a copy of this spreadsheet and this knowledge out there. But if you're interested in getting a lot more information that's going to help your shop, again, down in that description below, you can sign up for our free auto repair tune-up course, which is going to give you a lot of marketing, a lot of sales, and a lot of profitability help for your business. And hey, if you want to become a member, you can also become a member once you get a hold of that course. But that's in the future. Right now, I'm going to get you back to that video. Hopefully it helps. Thanks for watching the video.
Let's say you got a smaller shop and you've got $9,800 worth of fixed expenses. All right. Well, you need to do $39,200 a month. Out of that, here's what your parts cost, your technician, your service advisor, fixed expenses. That means you're turning $7,800 in profit per month, or $94,080. Let's say bigger shop, let's say $36,823. Okay, that's what your fixed expenses are. Well, you need to do $147,000 in sales, and out of that, you've got 20% left over for yourself, $29,000, and your projected yearly net profit is $350,000.